Good morning, everybody. Pretty amazing stuff that the CES always does that kind of stuff. That doesn't mean we'll be flying in cars, does it? Maybe it does. Well, good morning, everybody. It is much more humid out there this morning and rather sticky. We are at 65 degrees. Yesterday, we were about 42 at this hour. So the humidity has slammed in. And as it came in about 2 or 3 o'clock this morning, we had a few little showers that popped up. And so we've got some wet roadways. You'll also know that we'll see a fairly gusty southeast wind for today. The morning low yesterday was 44, not 42. Yesterday, we got up to 72. Today we'll stay about the same. No, we're going to go up to about 78. So that south wind makes a big difference. That's going to put us on the warm and humid side for today. Now the winds will actually even get stronger by the time we get to Friday. You can see them right about here until that frontal system comes through on Friday night. So you can see how it's going to be rather breezy and humid and cloudy. And then when the front passes through, yeah, we have a chance for a couple of thunder showers. You can see the front come through there. Should be around midnight or maybe 2 o'clock in the morning, somewhere about there. Now, it's been very light in terms of moisture because it's really just kind of a resurgence of the Gulf air on top of somewhat cooler ground. But that's what we got right about now. And already in North Texas, Dallas to Arkansas, they're looking at some much stronger rain. Here's what we had, a few sprinkles. Basically, the south side has got wet roadways, and you look up and the skies are clear. What happened? Well, we changed from that cool, dry air to this warm and humid air that's on top of us. So the cloud deck will be getting thicker and thicker. We're also getting big support from the Pacific. You can see the tap of moisture rolling up into our area. And now we got the 1-2 punch. We've got the surface front, and then an area of low pressure on top that's going to make it a little bit stronger. So here's rainfall amounts through Friday a.m. Okay, that's tomorrow. The day after that, you can see the big line of storms and how we're just barely on the south side of it. Now we still get maybe ½ an inch to an inch out of this, but up here in Houston to Lufkin is where the real big stuff is going to be occurring. Let's take a look at our future tracker. Here's the front. It's out in West Texas. It'll start moving in. We'll get all that humid air and the little light rain, but then boom, all of a sudden, big storms fire right there right east of Dallas through the I-35 corridor, getting very close to us. So I would say Victoria, Refugio, Goliad, you got a bigger chance of getting some big boomers coming in on Friday. And then the storm actually pulls out to sea on Saturday, and then things start clearing up in time for the weekend. So it's really kind of Friday night when things could get a little bumpy around here. So increasing clouds, warmer and humid up to about 78, almost 80 degrees. The showers will increase on Friday and Friday night. Saturday, north wind blows in, much cooler than that. Yesterday I warned you about colder weather coming. But it looks like it's going to be on Thursday of next week. So don't put the coat away just about yet. That's your 7-day forecast. We'll toss it over to